Oh, that's a nice one. You measure it? No, it's got to be. I mean, hang on to it. Holy cow.
Got her?
Yeah.
Got your camera going?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I do. I'm just trying to get her or him.
Make sure he's alive.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, right there. 18 and a quarter.
18 and a quarter. Oh, there it goes.
All right. We got him.
That's what I figured. 18 and a quarter, and it, yeah. Well, I guess either you fish. You're wet anyways now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Or are you done?
No. This one we just got here.
This sucks.
I mean, it only should go up to that far, right? I guess.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's just a sock.
Well, that's a bummer. Where'd you catch that one at?
Right here.
Right here.
Literally.
Oh my
Like
gosh.
Just as you were coming down the thing, probably.
Are you using a floating repellent?
Yep.
Nice.
Suspending.
Well,
But yeah.
a repellent. Wow. This sucks that they wrecked your waders.
Yeah,
I don't know if they could do it to this.
Probably not to that.
This
These
is
are
a
really thin.
really tough material here. Yeah.
I guess I didn't think that they'd actually try to bite it or anything, so.
It just turned and...
Well, yeah, the hook or whatever probably got it.
Or it's scales or his fin or something. Just, wow. Yeah, they're...
It actually felt like he attached, like to the clothes, not my leg.
Oh, he might have hooked you, and then when he was moving on the hook, couldn't get away, and it just tore it.
But yeah, he ran right at me.
Well, I don't think I've seen that before, but
Little guy.
well, maybe it was just running. Maybe it was running towards me. Might be bigger than I think. I thought. Oh yeah, it's decent. Oh, I love this. Yeah, he's nice.
That's probably a 13 or 14 incher.
Wow, he's actually pretty good size. Small compared to your old one, but hey.
That's bigger than those two smaller guys. I mean, that's
Yep. Get back here. Get back here.
good fighting size.
Come on. Yep. Come on. Are you trying to mess with my waders?
They're new tactics that they're starting to learn.
Mm-hmm.
Right at the fishermen.
Well.
Oh yeah.
That's keeper.
Yep.
That's definitely.
Lovely looking fish.
That's. He's in that 14 or so. Nice.
It's good to get out here again.
Oh, catch one. Fish on? Yes. Whoa.
Got off. Nope, he's still there.
He's just there. The one you caught earlier could eat that one.
Yeah.
Just about. Or,
These are about the size of the ones that I was getting earlier.
oh, it's fun. Oh, it just come up out of the water again. I mean, way out of the water. I don't know if I got that on video. He probably cleared a foot or so out of the water and back in. If I had to guess, that's a pretty aggressive fish. Probably another one. There's a school of them right here. He'll be all over this bait. He'll be like, yeah. Good job. You got about a half dozen of them now, huh? Or close to it?
5.
I found another spot on the Little Mesquite I went by today, going to the lake up north. It looks like you can park around the side of the road and get in the Little Mesquite. And I'd love to try that. You look at, you know, it's about the size right here.
Yeah.
So I might have
It
to.
does that, the main Muskegon get, that's probably like 60, 70 feet deep or something, ain't it? It's huge when you cross it up there.
Yeah, it's up by the dam's 110, and then the backwater's still a lot of it's 60.
Where it goes under 131 there?
Oh yeah, that's still pretty deep. A lot of that's still, I think, in around 20 or so. It is gets shallower because of the Rogers Dam, but come on.
That guy off the rock.
Yeah, he twice now. He just got a nice little spot right there. He's looking for a leftover mayfly or something.
Yeah, now it's June bug time.
Fish on. He got it just sitting there. He hooked himself, so I don't know how well he's hooked. He's zigzagging around. He's running towards you now. Yes. He might not be a keeper, but he's not a keeper, but he's still fun. All right. Showing off. I know. You got a lot of muscles. All right. Don't need an extra hook. And me. Wow. He's in there good. Cute little guy.
Swallowed her?
No. And then it rained. Woo! Feels good though.
Hey, thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.